Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.